Hello everyone and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We're continuing our theme of French cooking to go along with the Paris Olympics. What a strong week 2 it's been from USA Track and Field. Stars like Noah Lyles have been shining. He won the gold in the 100 meters and took bronze in the 200. Fred Curley took bronze in the 100. Grant Holloway won the 110 meter hurdles. Quincy Hall had an amazing comeback to win the gold in the 400 hurdles, as did Cole Hawker in the 1500, and the women have been equally as dominant. Gabby Thomas won gold in the 200 meters. Sydney McLaughlin-Lavroni defended her Olympic title in the 400 hurdles, and Sha'Carri Richardson took a silver in the 100, so they've been doing a great job so far. We're recording this on Friday, so many more medals are likely as we head into the final weekend. And sometimes when you're watching the Olympics, I think be nice to have just a refreshing summer snack. So today I thought we'd make a cucumber yogurt salad. It's a good source of potassium and vitamin D, and the nutrients of yogurt support bone and muscle growth, and it's just very tasty. Here's what we'll be using. You can use either English cucumbers or mini cucumbers, whichever you like. And then for the salad we'll use plain yogurt, chives, and some parsley. For today I'm going to be using the English cucumber, so we'll give it a quick rinse here. Then we'll peel it here. Then we'll cut the cucumber. I like to cut this part off here first, get rid of that. And then I'll do about 1/4 inch slices. Then we'll move all of the cucumbers over here to our plate. Give us some room so then we can work on the parsley. Don't forget you need to wash this first. Just cut up a little bit here. And then just kind of rough chop it. Then we can chop it even some more. Kind of gather it all up and then just do one of these. Now we'll get the yogurt ready. I'm going to be using plain light yogurt here. You can just get this at any grocery store. French yogurt tends to be lighter, not quite as heavy as, say, Greek yogurt, for instance. After that, we'll add our cucumbers. I'll probably do about maybe half of these in here. At this point you could eat it like this, maybe just add a little bit of salt, but I'm going to go ahead and add our parsley and chives over here. The chives there, and then some parsley just to finish it on top. And we'll get some in a bowl and try it here. That's a really refreshing snack on a warm summer day. And the perfect thing is you can either eat this by itself or like with a sandwich, pairs perfectly. I hope you tune in next week. We'll have much more on the Olympics as they're winding down. Team USA looks to be in great shape to win the most gold medals and the most overall medals. So we'll have more on that next week. Big thanks to Mom for helping me today. She always runs the camera, does a great job. Couldn't do it without her. And thanks so much to you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen.